Georgia also getting slammed by Helene's impacts. More than 100,000 people remain without power in the southern part of the state. Many residents were trapped in their homes. First responders having to cut down trees to clear debris from roadways. One homeowner survived a massive tree falling on her home while she was inside.
Western North Carolina also seeing severe flooding conditions. Roads looking more like rivers out there. Asheville got around 8 inches of rain in a single day.
Well, several drivers were pulled from their cars. This is in Charlotte on Friday morning. Look at this. Fire rescue seen climbing out of vehicles halfway underwater. Now more drone footage out this morning shows the overwhelming destruction that is left behind in Steinhatchee. More homes seen torn into pieces, roadways submerged in inches of water.
Rescues were also underway, Alexis, in the Atlanta area. Crews pulling several people from submerged cars and homes. Even some babies and pets had to be saved as well. Now to Tennessee, where dozens of people had to be rescued from the roof of a hospital in Tennessee, surrounded by fast rising floodwaters as well. We've been covering area to area. This is going to be a week's worth of recovery at this point. Remember, you can get up-to-the-date information on the tropics with our free Max Tracker app. You can also download it on your smartphone. You'll be able to watch live streaming coverage of our newscasts there as well.
Plus, now would be a good time to download our Local 10 Hurricane Survival Guide. It includes everything from a supply kit checklist to evacuation zones and shelters. You can find the guide on our website, local10.com. Just look under our hurricane section.
Oh man, I want everybody to be strong. The best way you could, going up and down the eastern seaboard, from the south all the way down to Florida, Tennessee, North Carolina, Florida. It's not a game. It's like watching Hurricane Sandy all over again, and even worse. Because with Hurricane Sandy, I was outside in a black bubble vest. Shit hurts, man. For real. And like I said, a lot of times, why does it always take tragedy for people to come together and work together the way we should before that stuff happened in the first place? Join the Spread Love.